What's the meaning of beaker? Beaker. Beaker.
Beaker. Beaker. A beaker is a type of laboratory glassware that is used to hold and measure liquids. It is cylindrical in shape with a flat bottom, and has a lip or spout for pouring. Beakers come in various sizes and can hold from a few milliliters to several liters of liquid. They are commonly made from borosilicate glass, which is resistant to thermal shock and chemical corrosion. Beakers are frequently used in chemistry experiments, for mixing chemicals and measuring quantities of liquids. They can also be used for heating liquids over a flame, but caution must be taken to avoid breaking the glass.